Most people get this wrong. They see a payment proof screenshot online and immediately assume an app pays everyone the same way. But here's the truth no one tells you. A payment proof only shows that one transaction happened. It does not guarantee the same results for every user. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Match to Win payment proof in 2026, what payment proof actually means, how rewards typically work, and the key things you should verify before spending your time on the app. Let's start with the most important point. A payment proof is simply evidence that a user received a payout or reward from an app. This could be a withdrawal confirmation, a payment receipt, or a rewards redemption record. However, payment proof should always be viewed as one piece of information, not the entire story. For example, Alex finds a screenshot showing a successful payout from Match to Win. That tells him the app may have processed at least one payment. What it doesn't tell him is how long it took, how much effort was required, or whether all users had the same experience. But here's the problem. Many people stop their research after seeing one payment screenshot. That's where mistakes happen. Before trusting any reward app, you should also understand the earning requirements, withdrawal rules, and account eligibility conditions. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best way to evaluate Match to Win is to focus on the complete process rather than a single payout image. Ask questions like, how are rewards earned? Are there minimum withdrawal requirements? Are there verification steps? What do recent users say about their experiences? This is where most people fail. They focus on potential earnings but ignore the rules. Even legitimate reward platforms usually have terms, conditions, and payout requirements that must be completed before withdrawals are approved. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to approach apps like Match to Win. Start with realistic expectations. Treat any reward app as entertainment first and a possible source of rewards second. Test the platform. Understand how the system works, and verify the withdrawal process before committing significant time. Here's a quick example. Jake spends a few days learning the app, reading the payout rules, and tracking his progress. Because he understands the requirements, he avoids the confusion that many new users experience. So what should you take away from all this? Payment proof can be a useful sign that an app processes rewards, but it should never be the only factor in your decision. Always review the earning system, withdrawal requirements, and overall user experience before reaching a conclusion. You now know how to evaluate Match to Win payment proof the smart way in 2026. If this guide helped you, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest app reviews, payment proof breakdowns, and money app guides.